people, write about the voiceless. So yung mga kaibigan ko, sa tingin ko naman ha, panay matitino. Pero walang nag-entertainment. Lahat sila in-interview si Presidente, ganito, sinong CEO na ganito, etc. Alam mo, napansin ko, kahit na hindi nila sinasabi, there was a period when they thought that what I was swimming in was a little inferior to the world they were covering.
Yeah.
But it's hard to get into that, because I think they did not even know that this was a bias that they had against entertainment. They just imbibed it somehow. They don't know that they have it. But ako, I can feel it. Example na lang, kapag nag-uusap kayo, mabigat na, nag-aaway na. Kasi this camp or that camp, etc. Sino magiging presidente? Biglang may magsasabi, adyan, entertain us na lang. Wow ha? Excuse me, baka lecture ako kayo dyan.
Ang akin naman ay ang tawag nga nila dyan ay soft news, soft entertainment. There was a point na sabi ko, okay lang, mas malaki naman ang bayad namin.
Sa TV lang, sa TV.
Hindi, pero, I agree with Joa na halimbawa sa front page ay kung may malaking storya na galing sa entertainment, ilalagay nila sa front page, o sa taas, o kaya sa baba, but we're not the main news. Pero in terms of consumption, wala, mas malaki pa rin ang following namin, sorry I'm biased to,
At saka ignore us at your peril, because look how many movie stars and celebrities have gone on to the Senate and not happy about it. I'm not saying it's right or bad. I'm just saying they are believed. O ilan naging presidente, o tumakbo, o Henry de la Rosa, tumakbo.
Yes.
Yung meron talagang cachet ang mga nasa entertainment. Kaya we cannot ignore.
Meron din akong papel na ginawa kami niyan right after the 2025 elections. Then, inaral namin ang mga nanalo, ang mga natalo, at inaral namin kung bakit. So, ang isa sa mga findings namin ay hanggang ipinagpapatuloy natin ang pangmamaliit sa entertainers who go into politics, we will continue to elect. Hindi ko sinasabi na galing lang sa entertainment industry. We will continue to elect people who do not deserve to be in office. Dahil hindi natin pinakilala ng gusto. And conversely, yung mga tao rin na tumatakbo na hindi naman mga taga-entertainment is not also, when somebody you don't need a doctoral degree to get into public service. Pero yung pangmamaliit kasi has been happening for a long time since, Rogelio de la Rosa ran for the Senate. Diba? Sa sobrang pagmamaliit, tingnan nyo naman ang reaksyon ng tao. We continue to elect the movie stars. Why? Because they're very good at communicating themselves, not even their messages, themselves to the public. I'll stop there.
Yeah.
Yes, please.